Hey guys, good afternoon. We'll wait for some time, then we'll start. Please ask your friends to join. Thank you.
Hey guys, hi. Very good afternoon to all the participants. I hope my voice is audible to you, and I'm just sharing my screen also, and the screen is also visible now. Can you give me the confirmation, guys? Yes, no, please tell me. Can you all give me the confirmation? Is my screen visible? My voice audible? Okay. Thank you for this confirmation, guys. All right. So, first, I want to understand from you guys what we have seen in the last session. Let's quickly recap that. What we have seen in the last session. What do we have seen in the last session? Get some response from you guys. What do we have seen in the last session? I import into Tableau prep. Yes, that's good. What about others? What else you have seen? Uh, we have seen some stages of data cleaning, right? Okay. So basically, guys, in the last session, what we have taken, we have imported four regions data set into the Tableau prep. Okay. So there are four different tables for the South region for different years, 2015, 16, 17, and 18. We have performed the union operation between all the 4 years to combine them into a single column table. And then the rest over tables for different regions, we have performed individual cleaning in all of them. So what all steps we have seen? For example, in central region, we have created a region field. We have created two calculation fields for order date and ship date, where we have combined the ship year, the year, month, and date to a single column, as well as we have removed the remaining fields. And in the west region, we have converted the abbreviated form of the states into the full names. And in the east region, we have just removed the letters from the sales. Right. So I can see some queries regarding the previous session. What else? Do you guys have any other queries from the last session? Do you guys have any other queries except the union concept? Do you guys have any other doubts? We change data type. Okay. Second one. So first is union operation concept, and the second is change data type. What else? Anybody else with any other doubt? Anybody else with any other doubt from the last session? All right. Let me do one thing. Yes, Dhruv Patel, I understood. That is the first one. Let me do one thing. Let me open my Excel sheet first. Okay. I'll open my Excel sheet first. Okay. Imagine that there is a company called uh, XYZ company. Okay. XYZ company. It is operating in India in different states. Okay. It's operating in India in different states. So it has one office in Delhi, uh, another office in Mumbai, and some other office in other different states. All right. Now, let's say for Delhi, we have certain employee records. Okay. For Delhi, we have employee table. Let's say in the employee table, first we have employee ID, we have employee ID, then employee name, his age and his salary, or his age, department, and salary. Okay. Let's say these are the five fields we have. All right. These are some data set record we have. All right. Similarly, for Mumbai also, we have another office where we have this list of employees. Okay. This may be large, this may be less. Okay. It may have more set of records also. Imagine that we have some more records. All right. Got it. This employee ID is going to be unique, guys, right? Let's say this is 101, this is 102, 103, like that. We have certain unique records, right? This is also like something unique, correct? 201, 202, like that, right? So what you can understand from these two tables that these two tables are have the same structure, correct? If I am saying same structure, basically it means that these are having the same schema, right? Same set of columns. Yes or no? These two tables are having same set of columns, correct? Will you agree? Dhruv Patel and Barot, correct? These are having some same set of columns, correct? So with the help of union operations, I can combine these two table into a single table. Okay, I can combine these two table into a single table. Okay, like this. I'll combine both this record into a single table. That is nothing but the union concept. This is what your union concept is. Okay, in union, what we are doing, we are combining the two tables which are following the same structure. Okay, in union, we combine the tables which follow the same structure. All right, Dhruv Patel, Barot, is it clear? Now is it clear? Okay. Similarly, if you notice what we are doing in union operation, we are combined two tables vertically, right? Vertically, we are joining them, right? Whereas if suppose we have another table in joins, what we do, we combine the tables horizontally. Let's say we have another table, okay? And there is another table that is saying employee ID, his address, let's say his location, uh, his state. So this, I'll make it location and dependence. Okay. Let's say this is another table. This is another table. All right. Now, if I want to combine these two tables, this employee table and the location table, in that case, I will go with joins. Okay. I will go with joins. All right. I will go with joins. So now in joins, what will happen? Based on this employee ID column, which is a common column between them, these two column will get merged here. Okay. These two column will get merged here like this. This is going to be your joins, and this is your union relation. I hope now the difference between joins and union is clear to all the participants. Priyanshu, is it your first session? This is the notes, Priyanshu, that we are maintaining. In this notes, if you see, the first option here itself is recording. From here, you can get access the recording. Okay. Here you can access the recording. Go into this notes, and in this notes, you can watch the recordings. All right. Guys, is my voice breaking? Somebody saying my voice is breaking. Is my voice breaking? Some of you say yes, some of you say no. Network is good, guys. My network is good. Can you check your connectivity, guys, once? All right. Let's continue now to the topic that we have left over. Let's go and open the Tableau Tab Builder. Let me open the Tableau Tab Builder. Okay, just get open. Okay. So, in last session, let me go to File and click on Open, and I will open the previous file which I have saved. Okay, this is the file we have saved this one, tables preparation. Okay, so are you able to see my screen, guys? Are you all able to see my screen? Are you all able to see my screen? Guys? Now we'll perform the union operation. Yesterday I've shown you already this process, but I will try to repeat it once again. So what we have to do as a end result, we need to first combine these four tables together using the union operation, because these tables are just the regions table, okay, which are different region tables. Okay, all these tables are different region tables, and all of them follow the same structure. Okay, I'll come on that also. Change data type. Okay, let me go to this one. Any data set. Let's say if you want to change any specific data type, you can notice there are some data types represented on the top of each of the field names, correct? These are the data types. This is date data type, this is string data type, this is number data type, correct? These are all the data types, right? Now let's say I want to change this data type from numbers to string. So how can I do it? I'll click on this data type symbol, okay? And I'll get an option here in this drop down. You can select string, you can select date, you can select date and time, anything, okay? So as of now, it's number whole only. I want to select number whole only. That's it. So it will be number whole data type. Okay. In this way, you can change the data type. Siddhi Kulkarni. Clear? Siddhi Kulkarni, clear? Okay. Let us come back. So basically, I want to combine all these four regions table, because all these regions are having the same structure. Same structure means they are carrying the same field names. Okay. So for that reason, I will perform union operation between them to combine them into a single table. Okay. With all the regions data set. Got it? So now how to combine it? Okay. So what you have to do, you have to pick, uh, let's say first I will combine these two regions, south and west. So you have to pick the first region. Let's say I pick the south region. I drag it, I hold it, and I'll drag and drop it. I'll move it towards the clean west. Okay. As soon as I move it towards the clean west, you can see I'm getting two operations, to join and to union. Okay. Since I want to perform union operation, I will drop it on the union. Okay. If you see, if I move it towards the join box, the join box get highlighted. If I move towards the union box gets highlighted, right? Since I want to perform union operation, I will move it towards the union and drop it. Got it? Clear? Actually, man, I think so that is from the backend side. It's not from mine, because my network is good. Maybe it is from the uh, tool side. Understood, guys, how to perform the union operation between two tables first. Is the first thing clear to you? Yes or no? Please tell me. All right. Next, similarly, I want to perform the union operation between now this existing union and the other tables also. Okay. What I want to do, I want to join this particular table into the existing union. Okay. Means this union. If I perform, if you see here, I'm getting now if I hold and keep it towards the union box, I'm getting three options: add, union, and join. If I perform union, it will form another union, okay, which I don't want. So I'll remove this. What I have to do, I have to keep it towards the union, and you can see there is a third option called add. You have to drop it on the add so that this gets added to the existing union operation, existing union table. Okay. And similarly, this one also, we will drag and move it towards the union box. And again, I'm getting three options: add, join, and union. I will drop it on the add operation to the existing union. Okay. Can you please do it, guys? All of you, can you please do it? Please do it, guys. All of you, please do it and give me thumbs up once done. Give thumbs up, guys, once you're done. Right. I think so. Most of you are done now. Correct. Next thing is, let's look into the union table. Let's look into the union table. Okay. Where to check the union table? You can see here we have this union box, correct? This is a union sequence, correct? Click on this and now expand this option. You can see here, these are the inputs. I have clean central region, I have clean west region, I have clean east region table, and I have order south 2015. Basically, this is the combined table for all the regions, for all the years. This is order south. Order south, this is order south. Okay. If you see, guys, here in the resulting fields, there are 5 mismatching fields from the 25 result fields. Okay. There are 5 mismatching fields from the 25 resulting fields. Okay. So this is the product. Okay. These are the field names which are, these are the 5 field names which are mismatching. Okay. These are the mismatching fields: product, discount, discount, product name, and file bar. Okay. So this is the where you can see my cursor scrolling. This is nothing but the sample. Okay. These are the sample views. All right. Are you able to hear me out? Am I clear? Okay. Now, if you see here, as of now, I'm getting all the columns, right? I'm getting all the fields, correct? But in the top here, next to the union results, I'm getting one option: show only mismatch fields. Show only mismatch fields, correct? Are you able to find this option? Show mismatch fields. Are you able to see this option? Quick thumbs up. Are you able to highlight this option? Show only mismatch fields. Click on it so that it gets enabled. Okay. Now in this sample, you'll get only the mismatch fields. In this sample table, you'll get only mismatch fields. Got it? Yes. No, please tell me. Able to see the this table for now. You'll getting only 5 fields here: file path, product, discount, discounts, and product name. Are you able to see it? Are you able to see it, guys? Yes or no? The 5 mismatch fields. Okay. What we can notice here, what we can notice here, uh, this kind of mismatch field is just because of the naming given to the field names. Okay, this is just because of the naming given to the field names, right? If you see here, we have a field called product and there is another field called product name. These both are similar, right? Only the naming is different. Yes or no? Will you agree? Yes or no? Will you agree? Right? So what we will do, we will merge them. Now, how to merge them? If I click on the products key, I will drag and drop it. I'll move it towards the product name. Now, if you see, I'm getting one option, drop to merge the fields. Drop to merge the fields. I'm getting this option. I'll just drop it there. Okay. I'll just drop it there. Now you can see the product name has been gone here from the mismatch fields. Okay. Product name has been gone here from the mismatch fields. Similarly, I have discount and discounts, discount and discounts. Correct. So let's merge them also. I'll hold the discounts, and I'll drop it on the discount field. Okay. Let me hold it. I'll get an option drop to merge the fields. Now I've merged the fields. If you see now, the mismatch fields has been gone. Only we have this file path. We can ignore this now. For now, we can ignore this. Okay. We can ignore this. Clear? Are you able to follow me? Please do it, guys. Please do it. Basically, we have to merge product and product names. We have to merge discount and discounts because these are same fields only. Only the naming is different for both of them. Naming of the field names are different. Rest everything is same inside this. So please merge them. Merge it and let me know. So you have missed certain steps, maybe because of that you're getting. Others, are you getting the same? Rituraj, you have done something mistake. You have not followed the steps what I have shared, because of which you're getting this. Others, are you now getting the same like how I was getting? Yes or no, please tell me. If you have followed all my steps, guys, you'll be getting the same result like what I am getting. You have to do exactly what I have done, then you'll be getting the same like me only. Nishta Sharma, same result. Same. Pila Pushpita, same. Guys, please go back, check into the notes. I have added all the steps in the notes also. Okay. Let me write down this union step also. Give me a minute. Okay. Let me write down here. So what we have done here, basically, we have combined central, south, east, and west tables using union operation. And in union table, we have merged the mismatch fields. Okay. Now, let me do one thing. Let me scroll it, put it down. I'll rename this as region. Okay. Regions. Yeah. We'll rename this as regions. Okay. So far what we have done, we have combined this all the four tables and we have merged the mismatch fields. See guys, if you are getting any kind of errors, please go back. You must have missed some or other steps. Okay. That is the reason you are getting it. Otherwise, you'll get the same result. What I am getting. Okay. If you remember, guys, we have one more data set, right? What is the name of the data set? We have one more data set, right? Uh, that is return reason. Yes. Let me go to the data set. This return reason data set, right? What is the format of this data set? This is an Excel format. This is an Excel format, right? This data set is in Excel format. Okay. Let me do one thing. Now we will be importing the return reason table inside this window. Okay. What we will do as a next step, we'll import the return reason. Anybody, any doubts so far? Is it clear? Shall we proceed? Anybody, any doubts so far? Right. Now, now to import the return reason table, as I said, you return reason table is containing the list of records which were returned for some or other reason. Okay, like how we return the product. These products also get there is a table created for them. All right. Now to import that, we'll again click on this add connection. We'll go to Microsoft Excel because that is in Excel format, right? Microsoft Excel. We'll select return reason new. Return reason new. Click on open. Okay. Now, if you see in the bottom, the return table has been added. Have you added the return table, guys? Please tell me. Have you added the return table? Please add the return table. Okay. If you have added the return table, now what you can do, uh, click on the return table that you have imported, okay, and expand this. Expand this. Okay. For now, no need to look into this. Let's look into the preview. Okay. Inside this, we are getting two options, data preview and field list. Let's go with field list. Okay. In field list, we will see the list of fields inside your particular table. Okay. In field list, you'll find the list of field names. Field names. The field names are nothing but the columns, correct? Yes or no? Correct? The field names are the columns present inside my table. If you see here, what all fields I have row ID, I have order date, I have order ID, product ID, subcategory, manufacturer, product name, return reason, and the notes. Okay. I have these many fields here. Okay. These many fields means these many columns inside the return table, and this is the sample values of them. Okay. These are the sample values of them. Are you able to follow me? I hope yes. Now, tell me, guys, based on the existing region table and this field name table, which field do you think, based on which we can join the two tables? Based on which fields we can join the two tables? Based on which field we can join the tables? We have region table and now we have return reason table, correct? Based on which field we can join the two tables? Somebody saying we can join with the product name. But Anna Sahib, don't you think if we join with the product name, you might get particular person who is also purchasing the same product? Yes or no? Yes or no? get some person, right? He might also have purchased the same product, but he might have not replaced, he might have not returned it. He might have got a proper order. He may have not returned it. Yes, I can see a lot of you are saying order ID. That is good. Basically, we can also combine based on another column that is product ID also. Okay. If we take two columns, we'll get more weightage for the two tables to join with. Okay. But excluding these two fields, can you tell me what all fields are relevant and what all fields are irrelevant here? Can you tell me what all fields are irrelevant here? What all fields are irrelevant here? What all fields are irrelevant here? Tanvi says order date and row ID. What about others? What about others? Subcategory, somebody is saying. Okay. Subcategory. Somebody says return reason. Return reason itself is no meaningful column. Satyam, what do you think? Why are you saying like that? Saying return reason itself is not a relevant column. Vedant, yes, product name is irrelevant because we already have got the product ID. Good. We already have the product ID. Anybody else? Anybody else? Like to try? Anybody else? Would you like to try? Let me tell you one thing, guys. Uh, what is my end result? In my end result, I will be joining the two tables, correct? I will be joining the two tables, the return table and this return reason, right? When I join these two tables, don't you think I already have this subcategory in my return table? I already have this manufacturer in my return table. I may also have this product name in the return table, right? Anyways, if I remove this product name, I have this product ID, right? Which is okay for me to proceed with, right? Even this row ID is not at all relevant, right? So what we can do, we are going to remove all these fields, okay? Even the order date, okay? What we will do, first of all, we have to import return reason table, and we will remove row ID, order date, okay? This is capital row ID. Then what we have can do, we can remove the subcategory. We can remove the manufacturer. Even we can remove the product name. Okay. Okay. So in this particular table, we can remove all these fields. So straight away, I will remove row ID, order date, subcategory, manufacturer, and product name. Okay. Now you can see I'm left with only these four set of fields: order ID, product name, return reason, and the notes. Correct. I'm left with only these tables. Yeah. Yes. Done, everybody. Are you done? Okay. Let's add a cleaning step to this particular table. Okay. We'll go to this plus option. We'll add cleaning step. Okay. We'll add a clean step. Now let me expand this. So now we have just four tables inside our this record. That is order ID, product ID, return reason, and notes. Right. Rest we have already removed. Okay. Rest we have removed. Okay. Now, uh, one second. Let me see. All right. Now, can you tell me what is the challenge you can see here inside this particular table or notes? Can you see any kind of issues inside this table, notes, return reason, any kind of challenges? Can you notice any changes? Tell me any changes here. Reason category, reason category. No, there is no such issue in the return reason. I think that's proper. Go into the notes column and see. Can you find any kind of issues there in the notes column? Can you do anything in the notes? Can you do anything in the notes? Can you see into the notes? We do anything in the notes field. Here, let me write down here. Tanvi, that is one thing. That is null just because the user have not written any value. We can replace it with not return, not given method. But are you not able to find some extra spaces for the content given in the notes? Can you see there is some extra spaces? Yes or no? Can you find there are some extra spaces? Yes. First thing, what we will do, we will remove these extra spaces. You can see here, there are some extra spaces in the initials, right? There are some extra spaces in the initials. We will manage them first. Okay. So for that, what you have to do, you have to click on these three dots, go to clean and select trim spaces. Okay. Now you can see it has the extra spaces has been removed. Okay. What you have to do, you have to go to the notes field, you have to click on clean and trim spaces. Okay. Trim spaces. All right. You have to trim spaces. Any other thing that you can do here in this field? Any other thing that you can do here in this field? Any other thing that you can do in this field? Can you notice some, can you understand, can you do anything else inside this notes column or any other column? Can you think and tell me what we can do? Can you see inside this four tables and let me know what we can do else? Is there anything else we can do here? Is there anything else we can do here? Guys, please think and tell me anything else we can do here. That is one thing. We can ignore that as of now, Mano. But guys, if you notice here, in the each notes, in every notes here given in this field, we have a name at the end. Can you not see, guys, this thing? A very basic thing. In the notes, in this notes, we have the notes. Along with the notes, we have some name given there. Can you check that? There's some name given here. Okay, guys. Generally, what happens, guys, whenever we return any particular product, okay, it doesn't directly get returned. There is certain approver sitting in the e-commerce companies who approves your returns. Correct? There are certain people sitting in the companies who approves your return. Let's say you purchase the order, and when the order was delivered to you, it was damaged. Correct? And you return that product saying that the product was received was damaged. So this particular reason, whatever you have mentioned, is being sent to the approver who looks into the images, and based on your images, he prepares the notes. All right, got it? So he is the approver who is going to approve or reject your return request. Clear? He is the approver who is going to approve or reject your return request. So same way here also you can see there are the notes given by the user, given by the approver, and the name of the approvers. All right, clear? Think in this way. Am I clear? Are you able to understand what I'm trying to say? Are you able to understand, guys? Yes or no? Can I get some quick thumbs up? Yes? No? Please tell me. I need some thumbs up. Okay. So we have to separate these two things. We have to split these two things. Okay. We have to split these two things. So what we will do, we'll go to this three dots. Here we have split values. So there are two options coming in split values, automatic split and custom split. In automatic split, the tool itself will identify the common uh, alphabet or common special character based on which he has to split the words. If you select custom split, you have to specify based on what component you will need to split. Okay, it can be space, it can be hyphen, it can be comma, it can be anything. Okay, for now I will go with automatic split because in my everyone was splitted with an hyphens. Okay, clear? You can see here now my order has been splitted. Can you see this? Are you able to see this? It's splitted, right? Okay. So what we have to do now? We have to go to the notes, and there you have to go to the split values and select automatic split. Okay. So it will automatically get splitted based on the hyphens. All right. It's automatic splitted based on the hyphens. All right. Now, now can you see, guys, any other changes that you can do here? Are you able to see any kind of issues here? Can you see any kind of issues here? Kind of issues here again. Remove the note fields. Yes, that we can do. We can do that. And what else? What else? What else do you think we can do here? Any other challenges you can see? Node split two. What is node split two? What is the problem there? It's fine, now. We have the approver names who is approving the request. What is the issue there? What is the issue there? Guys, you're not thinking. You're waiting for me to answer. Please think yourself. Because when you're doing your project, at that time you have to do. Isn't problem solved or not? Tell in small letters. Yes. What else do you think there is a problem? Guys, understand one thing. In this node split 2, if you see here, uh, we have some names. Okay, these people are same only. C dot Arnold, C dot Arnold, small c dot small Arnold, C double dot Arnold, C hyphen C forward slash Arnold. This all five people are same only, right? That is C Arnold, correct? Same goes for E Williams. Okay, E space Williams, E Williams, E Williams. This is also one person. F Azad, one person. G Lindsay, one person. Correct? K Lawrence. All there are. What is happening here? There are multiple names for the same set of person. Okay. It may be because of not properly entering the name of the approver names. Okay. So how to correct it? How to correct it? What you can do? You can go to these three dots. Okay. Uh, you can go to these three dots. Okay. There. Let's see what we have. Descending. Why we are not getting proper option now? A repulse. Okay. Now you can see here. If I click on these three dots, okay, make sure guys, your particular table field name is highlighted. Okay, then only you'll get all the options. Go to these three dots. Okay, then what you have to do, you have to go to group values, and then you have to select common characters. Okay, now you can see we are getting single persons. Okay, single persons. Finally, uh, click on done. Click on done. You get single persons. Okay. One. Okay. So, did you understand, guys, what we have done just now? What we have done just now? Basically, what we have done, we have grouped all the characters which were same. We have grouped all of them. Earlier, what was there? We have C Arnold with different impositions, right? C hyphen Arnold, C double dot Arnold, C small Arnold, like that, right? Similarly, there was certain different naming convention for E Williams and different words for all of them. So what we have done, we have just grouped them all together so that we get a common names. What it? We have got commons. All right. Okay. Please do it, guys. We'll take a break for now. Then we'll continue. Okay. Then we'll continue the rest. All right. Okay. Thank you. Okay, guys, welcome back to the break. I hope. Uh, so before going for break, we just have cleaned this node split to column, correct? Yes or no? Everybody done? Everybody done? Can you give me thumbs up quickly? Can we have a thumbs up quickly, guys? Done with that, guys? Can we get some response, please? Have you done it? Okay. Now what we will do? Let's rename these fields. Okay. Let me rename these fields. This one as I'll go here. Here I have an option called rename field. Let me give the name here as approver name. Approver name. And let me give name to notes split one also. Let me give the name here as notes itself. Notes only. Or approver notes. Okay. Approver notes. So we have renamed two fields, approver name and approver notes. Okay. The next thing what we will do, we will remove this notes field. Okay. Let's remove this. So three steps done here. What all things we have done here? What we have done just now. First of all, I'll mention here the split file. After automatic split, what we have done uh, in the nodes split two, what we did, we went to the options, then we went to the group values, and there we have selected common characters. Okay. After that, we have removed the nodes also, and we have renamed uh, node split two as rover name, rover name, and we named second field as rover nodes. Okay. This we have done. Everybody done? Yes or no? Done, guys. These three things have you done? Remove the nodes, give some meaningful names to these fields. Okay, please do this. Uh, if you're done, what we can do now, we will combine. First of all, we'll give this name. Okay, we'll let me return give the name here as a return table. Returns. Okay, returns. Let me give the name here as returns. All right, returns. Done. Everybody done with the returns? Right. Mr. Sharma, South data was clean. We just have combined the tables using union operation for the South also. If you have seen the step here, I have mentioned there itself now. For the South data set, we are combining this time to a South region. All right. South is already clean, so we are just combining them. Okay. Now, what is the next thing what we have to do? We will be joining these two tables, region table and returns table. Okay. So to join these two tables, what you have to do, to join these two tables, what you have to do, you have to first hold the returns table, move it towards the region. Now you're getting three options. Add, union, and join. Add, union, and join. This time, which option should I select, guys? Can you tell me? Which option would I select this time? This time, which option would I select? We have already discussed this. Join, correct? We'll go with join. Okay, we'll go with join. All right. We have joined these two tables. Okay. And if I just open this, if you just open this, uh, please complete it first. Please complete it first, then I will come to that step. Please complete it, guys. Then I will tell you what you have to do. Everybody done with this operation? Okay. If you're done, guys, click on the joins and expand this option. In the left-hand side, under the applied join clauses, you can see on which particular column it has been joined. Okay. On which particular column it has been joined. Okay. If you see as of now, these two tables, the region tables and the return tables, are joined using the product ID. Okay. The type of join between them is inner join. And if you see here, in this kind of join result, these many records are included, 3187, and this many records are excluded. Okay. Let us do one thing. Let us add one more column field to join clause. You can see here, we have order ID also here, right? In both the tables. Order ID and order ID in both the tables, correct? Next to this order ID, we are getting a plus icon. Click on this plus icon. So if you see here, now these two tables, region tables and return tables, are joined using order ID also. Can you do it? Can you do it? Can you do it, guys? Okay. If you are done, guys, now if you scroll down, you can see the summary of join result. We are now getting only 625 as the included result, and excluded is very large. Why this number, guys? Why this number we are having? We have taken two factors, right? Two joins. Then also we are getting this less number. Ideally, we included should be very large and excluded should be very less. Why we are getting this? Can somebody think and tell me why we are getting very this less number? Why we are getting this very less number? Product ID, you're saying, okay. What about others? Can you think? Getting very less number here. Perform the join operation between the two tables. Still, we are getting very less result. Why this less result? Siddhi Kulkarni, Ayushi Dimar, Nishta Sharma, Barot, Govil. Why this less result? Guys, you are missing one important point that we have discussed in the last session. One very important point that we have discussed already in the last session. Can you recall that point? Can you recall that point? Discussed something yesterday, right? Regarding joins. Why are you missing that very important point now? You are. Missed values? No. You are missing a very important point that we have already discussed in the last session. Spend a lot of time. Yes, actually, we have to use the left join here, correct? Which kind of join here is right now? If you see here, as of now, this is an inner join. This is a kind of inner join, right? Because of which we are getting a very less result. Let us go with a left join. To perform the left join between these two tables, region table and return table, you have to click here. You have to click this side. Now you can see the join type is left. Okay. Earlier it was uh, inner join, right? Earlier it was inner join. You have to click in this circle. You can see the join is now left. The join type is now left. Okay, now if you see the result, we have this many results. The joint result is 16,302. Got it? Are you getting this? Yes or no? Are you getting it? Yes or no? Right? I hope this is clear. So what you have to do, let me write down here. You have to join region and returns using left one. Okay, using left one. Now, what you can do, just put it down. These are the tables. Okay, let's do one thing. Let's go and add some cleaning step here also. You can see the notation of the left one is changed here as well. Okay, let's add a cleaning step here also. Click on this plus icon. Click on cleaning step. Since now the two tables have been joined using the left one, let's see if we can do any other changes here. If we can do any changes here. So this is the entire result now. Now, if you see here, we have common table with all the regions, central, east, south, and west, correct? Then what else we have? In the last, you will find the two things, return reason, approver name, and the approver notes, correct? But if you notice, guys, there are certain fields which are again repeating. Yes or no? Can you see here? If you see here, I just noticed that I have this order ID, correct? I have this product ID also. See, you also have product ID. But if you scroll down towards the right side, again we have these two things repeating. Order ID 1 and product ID 1. So can we remove them? Yes, we can remove them, right? Click on these three dots of order ID 1, remove this field. Click on these three dots of product ID 1 and remove them. Okay. Two fields are removed. Which fields you have removed? Click on them to add cleaning step. Remove order ID 1 and remove ID 1. Okay, remove these two things. Okay, now if you see guys here, uh, where yes, in this return reason, I'm getting a null column, a null values, correct? Can you tell me why this? What is this null denoting? Can you tell me what is this null denoting? What is this null denoting? Can you tell me? We have a null column value. Okay, guys, understand that this null is basically denoting that there are certain orders which were not returned. Okay, if you see in this entire table, I have 15,681 records which are saying null, which means these many orders were not returned, whereas these many orders were returned. Okay, and these are the reasons for them. Got it? Got it? Understood? These many orders were not returned. Okay, that is why for them it is showing null. So what I will do, I'll do one thing. I'll create a calculation field here. Okay, what I want. So basically, I want to create a new column. Okay, new column, and the name of the column I will keep it as return. Okay, I keep the new column name as return, and I will be having two values inside it, no and yes. Okay, this no basically says that order was not returned, and this yes means order was returned. Okay, this can be another column for me to for analysis, right? I'll be doing this. Okay, I'll be creating this field. Now, how to do it? I'll go to this calculation field, create calculation field. Let me give the column name here as returned. Okay, returned. Got it? And I'll use the if clause, if condition. If condition, if uh, is null function, there is a null function called is null function. Basically, what will happen? The is null function will find for null values inside a specific field that you pass inside this parenthesis. Okay, is null function will find out the null values inside this parenthesis. Okay, so I want to find out the null values inside this particular column, which was my return reason, right? So I'll give here the return reason. Okay, I've just said you that this field has null values, which means this many orders were not returned. Correct? This many orders were not returned. So I'll give the condition here as if is null in return reason, then give me no, give me no. Okay, else give me yes. Okay, else give me yes and end the clause. Okay, this is a small calculation field, guys. I have written for you. Let me write down here. Calculation field. Okay, name is returned, and below is the expression. Clear? Let me click on apply and close. Now what you can see here, I have got a new column here with the name returned, and I'm getting the values at no and yes. Okay, clear? Are you able to understand, guys, or you want me to repeat it? Tell me. Are you able to understand the clause? What is this clause saying? Let me explain you once again. Is null function. Basically, what is happening with this clause? It is checking for the null values inside this specific column. Okay. If it finds the null value inside this column, it will return no. Okay. Or else yes. Got it? Or else yes. It will happen. What will happen? What it is doing for each record, it is checking whether the record is null or not. Okay. If it is record is null, it means it will return no. If there is any other reason mentioned inside this, if it is not, if the record is not null, it will mention it as yes. Okay. So that is what it is saying. All right. That is what it is saying. But are you able to understand me? So now from this column, I can understand that these many orders were not returned and this many orders were returned. Out of all the records, 621 records were returned and this many records were not returned. Okay. Here, my this no is dependent on this one. Okay. If I change this one, this will get impacted. So because of that, I'm not changing this one. Got it? I hope you understood it. Yeah. Everybody done? Yes or no? Please tell me. Everybody done? Yes or no? All right. Next thing, what I will do, if you see guys here, I have two fields, correct, related to date. First is order date, and next is the ship date. Okay, one is order date, and another is ship date. If you see, there are certain differences in the dates. There will be certain difference in the dates when the order was placed and when the order was shipped. Okay, I want to find out the difference between these two dates. Okay, I want the difference between the two dates, order date and the ship dates. Okay, so for that, again, I will go to this calculation field. Okay, let me give the field name here as days to ship. Days to ship basically will say that when the order was placed, how many days it actually takes to ship the product. Okay, so here to find out the days to ship, there is a function called date diff. Okay, date diff function. Date diff function will find out the difference between two dates. Okay, now what actually you want to find out here, you can see the syntax. You have to pass the date part. Okay, then start date and end date. Okay, I want to find out the number of days, so I'll pass here days in the quotes, comma, the order date, comma, the ship date. Okay, ship date. That's it. This is formula. This is the calculation field, guys, to find out the days to ship. Let me click on apply and close. Apply and close. Now you can see here, I will get a new field created, days to ship, and you can see here, these are the number of days required to ship a particular product. You can see most of the products are getting shipped in 4 days. There are certain products which also get shipped on the same day. Zero means same day, right? Then single day, 2 days also there are products. There are certain products which also take 7 days. So maximum number of days taken for any product to ship is 7 days. Okay, clear? This we can understand from this one. Yes, no, clear to you guys. Can I get some confirmation, please? Please do it. Everybody. All right. If you're done, guys, so finally we have completed the data cleaning step in data preparation. Let's put it down. You can see this is our end table. Okay, this is our end result. Let me scroll it down. I'm not changing this one, guys, because it is impacting the other columns. Okay, let me put it down. And now this is my final table. Okay, let me give the name here as final table. Okay, final table. Let me give this name here, final table. All right. After this, I want to use this table. Okay, I want to use this table. So for that, there are multiple options. Okay, let me show you how to export it. If you click on the plus option here, there is an option called output. If you click on output, if you click on output and expand this, you can see here the location where it is getting. Okay, this is the location where it will get out. Okay, let me do one thing. Let me change the location, output location. Okay, so here you can see it is asking me where you want to save the output. Let me click on browse. Let me make it the output in the same folder, that is Tableau prep in desktop. Let me select the folder. Let me click on open. Okay, and this is the file. The file name I want to keep it as final. Okay, click on accept. Now you can see this is the location of my output. Okay, this is the location of my output. There are different formats, guys. You can You can get the output in the hyper format. Okay, this is a Tableau format actually. Then you have the dataset files in the Excel format, or you can get it in the CSV format. Let's say for now, I get it in the CSV format. I'll get it in the CSV format. Let me select CSV. Okay, let me select CSV. Okay, uh, we can remove this field also, guys. File path. I have not removed it, but later you can do it if you want. Okay, then you can click on run flow. Okay, you can click on run flow. Once you click on run flow, you can see it is saving our final file inside the location that we have passed. So if I just go to the location on desktop, Tableau prep, this is the final file. You can see this is a file. This is the final file. Okay. We missed to remove these two fields also, table names and file paths. We can remove this one also. Okay. I'll save. Let me go here. Then close it. Let me remove this one. Full name. Let me remove. Okay. Now let me go to the plus icon output. Let's select it in the comma separated files. Browse desktop, Tableau prep. The name of the file is to be final CSV, final actually, accept, yes, and output should be CSV format. Yes. Now you can see the file is very final file, 1537, just now. Got the final piece. Okay, clear? Yes or no? Please tell me. Yes or no? Please tell me, guys. Uh, is this process clear? You can see some more discrepancy here in the field. That you can do now. I think so. Splitting and all you have seen, you can do it. Okay. One more thing. If suppose you are running Tableau Desktop Professional Edition in your system, here you have an option to open. Review this in your Tableau Desktop also. If I open this, if I right click here, getting an option here, review in Tableau Desktop. Okay. If I click on this one, it will by default open the Tableau Desktop for me. Okay. This hyper file will directly open in the Tableau Desktop. Let's see. This is Professional Edition. Okay. The default edition is Professional Edition. It is not for the public edition, but for Professional Edition, it works. You can see these are the field names: approver notes, approver names. Again, this null can be removed from there itself. We have missed that, but we can do that also. Location process. Anas, I have explained 2 times already. I'll show you once again, no worries. To get the location, you have to click on this plus. You have to go to output. Okay. When this expand this window, the first option you're getting is save output to. Okay. Means it is asking me where I want to save my file. I'll go to browse option. I'll select any specific location. Let's say I want to save it in my desktop in the same location, Tableau prep. Open. Okay. Now you have to give the name here. Let's say I want to give the name here as final table. This is the name of the file, this data set. Click on accept. Okay. So this thing, the name of the file is going to be the final table. All right. Spelling mistake, sorry. final table. After that, output type. There are three types. There are three output formats: hyperfile, Excel format, Excel file, or CSV file. Select CSV. You can select anyone, by the way. You can select CSV, Excel, or anything. I'll select CSV. Okay. And finally click on run flow. That's it. You click on run flow, it will get saved in your local system. Okay. If you see here, I've got my final table somewhere here. Final table 340, 340. Yeah. Now that table I can directly load into my Tableau desktop for further processing. Clear? Everybody, is it clear? Anybody else? Any queries inside this one? I hope you have understood the entire process of Tableau prep. Okay. So here also, let me write down. Uh, After that, click on plus output. Okay. Mention the path and name of file and select the format, format. Okay. So there are three formats: dot hyper, dot hyper. Then we have XLSX, XLSX, and dot CSV. Okay. These are the three formats out of which you can save it in your local system. I hope this makes some sense and it is clear to you. Okay. This is all your Tableau prep, guys. I believe it's clear. So in Tableau prep, basically we have seen overall how to upload the table to Tableau prep, right? We have seen how to perform basic cleaning steps like removing the null values, editing the null values, how to change the data types, correct? And how you can group the namings, how you can remove any specific fields, how you can remove the duplicate fields, right? How you can create some calculation fields. We have seen some kind of join operation. We have seen some kind of union operation between the tables. So this is all about the Tableau prep, guys. Uh, if you guys want to explore more, this is the link I have already given in the notes sheet, guys. You just have to explore these notes. Okay. In this specific notes, what all things we have done, whatever we have done, I have referred from here only. Okay. If you still have any queries and doubts, you can go back to this particular link to understand more on this. One second, guys. If you see here, these are the data sets, then connect to data, then connection pane, click add connection button, flow. So coming to the flow part, this is nothing but the flow. Okay, this is nothing but the flow. So in this flow, you can understand that we have connected the data set, then we have cleaned the specific data sets. After that, we have we have combined them using the union operation. We have taken another data set, we have cleaned it, we have performed the union operation between them. We have performed some cleaning on the join table also, and then finally we are taking the output. Okay. If you want to see the specific set of steps done on here, specific steps, you can go here, click on expand option. Okay. In this changes section, you can understand what are things we have done in the past. Okay. Similarly, if you want to check the number of steps you have done in union operation, expand this, you'll find the changes. We have not done any changes here. Okay, this is only basic change we have done. Apart from this, if you go to the specific cleaning step and see the changes, these are all the changes done. Like this, you can explore for other regions also. Okay, and coming to this particular reference document that I've already added in the your template, sorry, in your doc file, you can see all the steps we have done here. First, we have taken the south table. We have performed the union operation between them, right? We have performed the union operation between them. Then we have used this kind of operation. We have combined other tables also. Okay, this was also an option, guys, to combine the different regions. But I think that was pretty much more easier. This option was more easier. Okay. Then we have taken another set of data sets. Then we have performed individual cleaning steps on them, right? What are the steps done here? These were the duplicates, so we have removed them, right? Clean your data, then central region. In central region, we have performed certain cleaning steps, right? Create calculation field. We have created the region central. Then we have created a calculation field to combine order date, year, and month. Okay. We use the make date function. Then for same we have done for the ship date also. After that, we have removed all the columns. We have changed the data type. Like this, all the changes, whatever we have done, we have referred it from here. Okay. You can explore this also. Even you can check the recordings for this session also. Whichever you find convenient, you can proceed with that for understanding. But I hope this is clear. So this you can see we are given the name to the fields. Okay. This for the name of the states. And we have combined our data into it. Okay. So this is all we have done to understand Tableau prep. So I hope Tableau prep, at least you got some basic foundation knowledge on Tableau prep, right? Even if you have not practiced it, by just looking into the session, you have got a fair idea about what is Tableau prep, how you can start with Tableau prep, how you can perform some sort of cleaning inside it, and how you can prepare your data for further analysis, right? Right. And going forward, guys, so far we have completed the introduction to data analytics, business intelligence. We have completed MySQL, right? We have completed now Tableau prep also. Now, from the next session onwards, we are going to actually start with the main tool, that is Tableau Desktop Public Edition. Okay. From next session onwards, we are actually going to start with the Tableau Desktop Public Edition. So, from next session onwards, it is more important to be on the practical side because we will be using the tool from the day one itself. Okay. First, my tomorrow's agenda will be to first explain you the interface of Tableau Desktop. Okay. Then we'll take a data set and then we'll start with some visualizations. Once we complete some visualizations, we'll explore some more features and functionalities which are there in Tableau Desktop. Then we'll learn about some other functions like parameters. We'll talk about filters. Then we'll talk about some more advanced visualizations. We can create advanced visualizations also in Tableau. Then we'll see quick table calculations. We'll talk about LOD expressions. We'll talk about analytics panes. So this all things are pending. And at the last, we'll see how to publish our work on Tableau Public page. Okay. So Tableau Public is basically a global page where you can publish your work, from where you can use your embedded codes to use them uh, in any specific web pages. All right. So this is the overall flow. Maybe this Friday, guys, we'll be having a quiz, a small quiz, like whatever we have done uh, in the first week. I'll prepare the quiz for the first week itself. So please be prepared on it. Okay. Clear? I hope that's all you understood in today's session. I hope you got a good idea about Tableau Prep. Right, guys. So I'll stop now. If you have any queries, you can ask me. Uh, and we'll meet tomorrow again and we'll continue with Tableau Desktop Public Edition. Okay. With this, we have completed two tools, MySQL, Tableau Prep. We will be left with the third tool, that is Tableau desktop. Can we change the calculation? Which calculation? Which calculation you want to change? Inside this one. Okay. Just a second. Let me see. We have created this calculation, right? Actually, I was also looking for that option. Here you have got an option edit. You can see, you can change it from here. Okay. The symbol is there for calculation. From here, you can change. Raj. Right. Shivam, okay. I will check with them. Anybody else? Any other queries you have? Anybody else? Any other queries do you have? Saturday, guys, we are going to have the second knowledge session. Today, we will be talking about uh, the project development phases, right? I have already informed you, you have to complete your projects in different phases, right? There are different phases which has to be completed in order for successful submission, correct? So for that, I'll be explaining you each and every template. The first knowledge session, I will cover the two templates. In the second knowledge session, again, I will complete the two templates. In the last session, I'll complete last knowledge session, I will complete the rest templates. So in this way, we'll be completing all the templates so that will make you understand how you need to complete project development phases. All right. Ayushi, maybe by this Friday. I'm not sure, but this is a tentative. Okay. I'll confirm you by tomorrow. Anybody else? Any queries? If you do not have any queries, guys, you can leave. If you have any queries, please stay back. Guys, no more queries, so we'll end the session now. All right. We'll meet you tomorrow again, guys, with the new topic. Okay. So thank you so much, guys, for joining. I hope you understood today's session. Got some new things. Shivam Jani, a very basic idea on it. And let me be frank that Shivam, it is not that difficult. Okay, the coding part. It's very easy. You learn it. Okay, very basics, not very into deep into it. Because the tool itself will give you the suggestions what we have to pass. Okay. All right, guys. Bye bye. Bye all. Take care.